So you want waves, but you don't have all day to be brushing your hair. Well, don't worry, cause I got you. Chances are, you might have seen a wave video before. They always say the same thing. If you want waves, you gotta brush your hair for 2 hours a day, or 3 hours a day, 4 hours at a time. Listen, I'm gonna let you in on a secret. You don't gotta do all that. Do this method right here. This is the 15-minute method. First of all, let me clarify something. This 15-minute method is a routine that you do for 15 minutes. I'm not saying you're gonna get waves in 15 minutes. No, that's not gonna happen. What I'm saying is that you need to do this routine that will take you 15 minutes. And you do this 15-minute routine repeatedly. Make sense? Good. So the best way to think of it is when you wake up, when you're getting ready in the morning, dedicate 15 minutes to this. Sometime in the middle of the day, another 15 minutes. And at night, 15 minutes. That will basically make this 45 minutes. 3 15-minute sessions. But we're going to stick with 15 minutes. Just sounds better. So this is how to get waves in 15 minutes. First off, make sure your hair is at the right length to begin with. You're not gonna get waves if your hair is too short or too long. You see how my hair is right now? This is too short. It's too short for somebody who's just starting out. If you're like me and your hair is already trained to have waves, then it's no big deal. But if you're not, which you probably aren't, then your hair needs to be longer than this. The length of your hair is gonna depend on what hair type you have. People with tighter curl patterns can have the hair a lot lower. People with looser curl patterns need to have the hair a lot longer. This is because your hair needs to be able to curl before you can get waves. All waves are, it's just curls that are stretched out and then laid down on your head. A good example of this is a slinky. Look at how a slinky is twisted up, right? And then when you stretch it out, those twists turn to waves. Mind blown. So yeah, make sure your hair is at the right length. Okay, your hair's at the right length. Now what? Now you're gonna need a brush. If you don't know where to find a If you don't know where to find a brush, you can go to wavymerch.com. Now's a good time to mention, if you go to wavymerch.com and use the code WAVEMAN, you can get a discount on anything from the website. They have a lot of things. They have brushes, they have combs, they have do-rags, they have brush cleaners. They got a lot of things. So make sure to go check them out and use my discount code WAVEMAN. Okay. So you got a brush. What do you do with this? Take this brush and brush your hair. It's that simple. What did you think I was gonna say? Rub it on your shoulder? Yep, this is getting me waves. No, take the brush and brush your hair. Now what? Okay, you brushed your hair. Now you're probably thinking, don't I need some type of grease or moisturizer or butter? The answer is yes. Yes, these things definitely aren't as important as a brush, but I say you need them, especially as a beginner. There's many different products you can use. Here's an example of a moisturizer. This is called Shea Moisture Curl Enhancer Smoothie. You use that on your hair when your hair is dry. It's important to have your hair moisturized. Another good way to keep your hair moisturized is to drink a lot of water. I need to get back up on drinking water. Just thought about that. I've been slacking. Okay, but the moisturizer is just gonna moisturize your hair. So what do you use to hold your hair? You can use a pomade, you can use a butter, you can use a grease. This is my favorite pomade, or one of my favorite pomades. This is the Cold Label Wolfen pomade. It's natural, so it doesn't have all of those same harmful chemicals that you'll find in some of the unnatural products. But for most people, they don't care if you use a natural or an unnatural product. So in that case, you'll probably go to like Walmart or something and you'll find something like these. These are unnatural pomades. 360 style pomade, Murray's pomade. Basically what they just do is keep your hair in place while you're brushing. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and brush your hair, then put the products in, and then brush your hair again. That's important. Don't forget it. If you really just don't have enough time, what you can do, you can just put the products in and then brush your hair. But I still recommend brushing your hair, then putting the products in, and then brushing again. So here is something very important. Do not forget this. When you finish brushing your hair, put on a do-rag. This is important. It's important because putting on your do-rag saves everything that you just did. If you do all this work and then don't put your do-rag on, you might as well have done nothing at all. I'm serious. You think I'm joking? Try it. If you go to sleep without putting your do-rag on, you're undoing everything you did. So wear your do-rag to sleep. But don't get it twisted. Wearing your do-rag isn't the most important thing about getting waves. Because this thing right here, all those brushes I have over there, yeah, important. Brushing your hair is the most important thing. There is nothing more important about getting waves than brushing your hair. Did I discuss everything? Brush your hair, use products, put on your do-rag. Some people might ask, do I need to comb my hair? This really depends. If your hair is super tangled, then I say no. Wait, what? Then I say yes. I don't know why I just said no. If your hair is super tangled and you have a really tight curl pattern, yes, comb your hair. But for people with straighter textures of hair, I say you wouldn't really need to comb your hair yet until you get waves. Then you can start combing your hair. Alright, so you probably want to know what you do when you wash your hair, right? Well, I made a video on that, so I'm not going to discuss it in this video. You can go check that video out because it's actually pretty nice of a video. Also, I made a video on how to put on a do-rag and different ways to put on a do-rag. So go check out both of those videos. I also made multiple of that exact same video before. So go check out all of them. If this video still is kind of stressful for you, 15 minutes is a lot, I got you. I made a video on how to get waves in 5 minutes. Or if this 15-minute stuff is kind of, it's kind of light work. It's kind of easy. Don't worry, I got a 30-minute video. So go check that video out. Actually, don't check that video out. That video is pretty old. I need to make an update to it, like now. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram because, like, why not? Also, go subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. If you watched this far in the video and you did not subscribe, shame on you. Go ahead and like the video. If you didn't like the video by now, if your family has a car, it's gone. They're gonna repo it today. You don't want that to happen? Right, go like the video. It's that simple, man. Like the video, you keep your car. Don't like the video, I take it. It's kind of a weird thing to say. I don't know. But anyway, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. If you watched this far, go ahead and comment Long Squad in the comment section. I'm Waveman Mike. Enjoy your day.
If you're in need of anything wave related, just go to wavymerch.com. Make sure to use my discount code WAVEMAN when you're purchasing these items so you can get a discount on them. I know it's crazy. It's great. You get a discount on these products. Some of these products are already on sale to begin with, so I recommend go getting them right now. If you're wondering what they have on their website, that's cool. I got you. I'll tell you right now. They have silky do-rags, stretch do-rags, velvet do-rags. They have brushes, hard brushes, soft brushes, medium brushes. They got brush cleaners. They got everything you need. 360 wave cream. So I recommend going and checking that out. Like I said, the website name is wavymerch.com and use my discount code WAVEMAN in order to get a discount. While I still have your attention, I might as well tell you, go ahead and follow my Instagram account. I post a lot of pictures and videos of my waves on my Instagram account that I really think you'll like to check out, and I think you should check them out. I'm going to start doing IGTV videos too. This is basically like other YouTube videos, but probably covering topics that I haven't covered on YouTube yet. And also I post like regular pictures on there too, like non-wave related pictures, just, regular pictures. So go ahead and check out my Instagram account.
Also, go follow me on Twitter. My Twitter name is Waveman_Mike.